Welcome, everyone! You don't often hear about a baboon breaking into a house, but it's actually not that uncommon in certain parts of Namibia.
Yo, what's up? What y'all doing?
The frilled dragon lizard can be surprisingly fast, and while some people might find it creepy looking, it's actually totally harmless.
Il est fou, lui.
Yeah? Okay.
This one's probably about the length of our boat, but
Look at him, look at him. Oh my god, that's amazing.
see, this is unreal.
That is unreal.
This has never happened to me before with a blue whale.
Wow. Oh my goodness. This
Oh
is
my god.
crazy.
Hey, Brittany, come up here for a second.
Look at it.
The last thing you should do when you see a grizzly bear is invite it to come closer.
Look at it. He sees dinner. Just hold it nice and close to the top. Don't drop it yet.
Although the creature appears for only a moment, many people believe that it's a grouper, a type of saltwater fish that can swallow other large fish whole in just one bite.
Thank you.
Hold on.
You're actually pretty good. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay.
An epic showdown between man and seal, all for the coveted prize of one sizable fish.
Let it! Let it!
The ram saw the 6-ton backhoe loader and thought, yeah, I could take it. A hunter found himself approached by a cow moose, which typically weighs around 1,000 pounds.
Vambora, que nós gostamos de trem radical, não é não, meu bem? Olha aqui pra mim. Dessa vez, meu filho do céu, olha o jeito que nós tá.
Olha o banco do carro.
Meu Deus do céu, Maria José. Eu trouxe pro tabel, foi ele não.
Olha eu.
Olha você, trouxe não.
Is this memorial or something? No?
Kangaroos might look scary up close, but as you can see, they generally mind their own business.
It's huge. Please don't come any closer. I'm scared.
I'm not. Hey, mate.
Hell.
Hey,
The biggest kangaroo I've ever seen.
Tira.
Unfortunately for the shark, cameras aren't edible. Fortunately for us, we got a look inside its body.
Oh my goodness. That thing is... Yeah. I don't think this boat owner likes sea lions anymore.
If you're at a campground, make sure your cooler's securely locked in your car. Otherwise, a bear might find it and eat everything inside.
This turkey will not let me get back in my mail truck. I've got to reload my mail.
Is that scary? I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Male capercaillies are usually shy and avoid humans, but during mating season, they become highly territorial and aggressive.
Kuhu sa tuled? Kuhu? See on täitsa toas mul. Oh, kuhu sa tuled? Kuhu sa tuled? Oh, ära tuppa tule.
So you can come this way?
The elephant clearly knew better than to mess with such a fearless man.
Good one. Good one. Good one. Keep standing. Keep standing. Keep standing.
Saltan. ¿Dónde están? Mira. Mira lo que tengo.
¿Has saltado?
¿Con qué
Mira, vámonos. Que te va a rayar el coche.
¿Lo he grabado? Dime que lo he grabado.
Getting this close to a cheetah is usually a bad idea, but the woman here is a professional with years of experience working with wild animals.
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Porque ahí se te va a coger todo.
Luckily, the venom most octopus species produce is so mild that it isn't dangerous to an adult human. That's why the man was completely fine afterward.
Ure. Oye, duro, re. Oh, man. Pura cheetah. What?
If they see, they're licking, they see themselves. Oh my goodness, no, that's dangerous.
Oh my gosh! He's gonna break the other. Oh yeah! Go, go, go! Hey, where's he? There you go.
And here he comes. Get back in the car.
Oh, this car's gotta be smashed.
The ostrich gave them a good scare, but thankfully it didn't hurt anyone.
¡Eh, wasn't it? ¡Cayó, wea! ¡Cayó, wea!
Coming now. She's about to climb up.
Going on the ice.
And she will jump on top of you, Joe. Be careful.
Going straight at you.
He's going straight at you, Joe.
A hurricane in Florida flooded this house, and along with the water came an unexpected guest. This man may have a unique friendship with the tiger, but the rest of us should never try anything like this.
Oh, oh, that's dead. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Everybody's out of the way?
Yeah.
Whoa, he's big.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
I know. Oh my God.
Where is it? Let's me,
A bull managed to run into a bank in Israel. Police and veterinarians later arrived to tranquilize and remove it without any injuries. Baboons can be deceptively strong and aggressive, which is why you should never get this close to one.
Video.
Get back, go. The camera.
Bloody birds up him every day. Yeah.
Nothing clears the water faster than a sudden shark appearance. Fortunately, everyone made it to safety in time.
Good God, people! Hurry, hurry!
The Indian cobra is highly venomous and potentially deadly, so you should never approach one like this. Alligators are usually terrifying, but this one had us cheering for it the whole time.
Oh no, buddy. Yay.
My room
roommate just woke me up at 7 in the morning saying there's a snake in our toilet. I'm so not in the mood. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. What the... Yo, dude, are you chill? Come on. Come on. You're going outside. Come on. Come on. No. Oh my god, he's got me. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's got me.
It's important to keep your distance if you see an elephant or any wild animal. Otherwise, you might find yourself in this situation.
Снова... Братан, это немножко не то. Вот здесь. Спасибо.
Oh.
Thankfully, he got himself and the child out before anyone was hurt. This leopard sure knows how to make an entrance. If you ever find yourself facing a group of macaques, stay calm, avoid eye contact, and slowly back away. And most importantly, don't show them any food.
People are just standing there like, what's going on here?
In my car. Get it over there. No, we roll it up before they come after us.
An elephant was searching for food but got frightened by all the noise, causing it to start attacking the backhoe loader. None of the people were injured though.